Commonwealth of the Bahamas, for which it stands, one people united in love and service.
Food plays a major part in cultural identity. It can tell us so much about where someone is from. All around the world, traditional cuisines are passed down from one generation to the next. People even carry these cuisines with them when they migrate to stay connected to their roots. As an international school, we love to embrace diversity, and one way we can do this is by learning about and trying foods from all over the world.
This is Andros, the most sparsely populated island out of 700 islands in the Bahamas.
The tranquil, remote island where you explore yourself. Every day you find something new that you want to do.
Do you know what I want to do today?
You want to cook, right, Sonny? Or you want to do a challenge, right? I saw the challenges.
I want to eat.
Tourists here are few and far between.
This right here is about 10 tongues from 10 sheep.
In fact, you'd be hard-pressed to even find a restaurant.
And so what would you say is the identity of Andros? What makes Andros Andros? Crabs. Oh. Huh? What was I so freaked out about? Look at this.
Today, Lori is making another Bahamian classic, crab and dough. The amputated crabs are cleaned and placed in a pot. Seasoned with salt and pepper, onion, and goat pepper. Add a cup of water and let it steam. In the meantime, prepare a dough with flour, baking powder, salt, and water. And place that over the crab. Let the pot boil, steaming the bread and the crabs for 25 minutes. Now it's time to eat.
Sonny, you might as well take this big bite of here.
Oh,
because it's easy to
I
handle.
couldn't. Okay,
yes.
I'll take it.
And some dough. It's a little different from the Johnny cake.
Sorry, I started. I mean,
Go ahead, don't wait for me.
But you have to wait for the crab fat inside. Hold the crab together. Turn it over so it doesn't do.
oh, so it's like the head becomes a bowl.
Then just pull it apart.
Oh, it's like dark and brown in there. Yeah, I sopped up a ton of this fat. It's wet, it's brown. Yeah, that's a lot of flavor. It's super fatty.
So just to sum up the video, we interviewed my dad. He's from Italy, or he's part Italian, so he knows a bit about it. So we asked him a couple questions, like, what is your favorite food from Italy? What is a popular dish from Italy, and how would you make it? So he said bolognese, spaghetti bolognese. So he said the ingredients to make it are ground beef, ground pork, garlic onion, carrots, celery, chicken stock, white wine, basil, and oregano. And his favorite dish is any homemade pasta from Italy. It was by me, Luca Bocas, and Andreas Thompson.
Beaver tails, you need 3/4 cup milk, next you'll need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use coconut palm sugar. After that, you only need 2 cups of white flour. Next, you will need 1 egg. If you have really small eggs, I think it will be okay. I think it will just be a little more on the dry side. The next thing you will need is 1 teaspoon salt. Next, you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Lastly, for the ingredients, you will need 1/4 cup of olive oil, or you could use melted coconut oil if necessary. The next thing you need to do is divide your dough into chunks. You can do it into 2 big chunks and then make them smaller chunks, or you can start off by making the smaller chunks. After you're finished that, what you really want to do is pound it, kind of get your anger out on it. Your beaver tails don't have to be huge, but they don't have to be really tiny either, so make it the size preferable to you. You can use a fryer if you have one, but if you don't, you can fill a pan or a pot with oil and let it sit for a while until it's nice and hot.
We coat the beaver tails is you're going to immediately take it out the frying oil and don't wipe off that excess oil. You're gonna need that. So then the sugar, this mixture, which is as much brown sugar and cinnamon and regular sugar as you want. And then you're gonna take it and put it in here and then just get this brown sugar mixture slathered on it. If you decide to attempt any of these recipes like the beaver tail, make sure you have adult supervision. Thank you for watching our entirety of our baking show.
Hello, my name is Aiden Christie. Today I will be making a cheese quesadilla, a quick and easy Mexican dish. You only need 2 ingredients, a tortilla, I prefer flour tortilla, or you can use corn, anyone is fine, and some cheese. Step 1. Get your tortilla and put it flat on a plate like this. Step 2. Get half a cup of shredded cheese and you put that on your tortilla. Step 3. Spread your cheese over the tortilla, just like so. And make sure it's covering most of the tortilla. Okay. Step 4. Fold the tortilla in half. Okay. Next, transfer your tortilla to a hot pan. Okay. Let your tortilla cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip your tortilla onto the other side for approximately another minute. This here should be nice. Oh god. There. Once your tortilla is golden brown and your cheese is melted, you can transfer your quesadilla to a plate. Okay. Cut your quesadilla in half. I like to add a little seasoning, but you can also add sour cream and salsa.
2.
That's really good. Yeah, that is delicious. Anyways, thank you for watching. Mexican food. Presentation by Xavier Jones and Aiden Christie. What is Mexican food? The best Mexican food, from chilaquiles to empanadas to fajitas, is flavorful, spicy, and normally simple to cook. Traditional Mexican food features ingredients such as beans, chili peppers, and maize, and a rich sauce such as mole or pico de gallo is nearly always served on the side. Ingredients for most dishes. The most popular Mexican ingredients are beans, rice, avocado, and limes. They're utilized in nearly every dish, from hearty enchilada casseroles to creamy drinks like horchata. Examples of Mexican food: chilaquiles, huevos rancheros, machaca, discada, tacos, burritos, pozole de pollo, or guajolote menudo. And that's the end of my presentation.
Welcome to Japan. Katsu curry. Katsu curry is a favorite dish of Westerners from Japan. The word katsu originated from the word katsuretsu, which means cutlet. The dish was created in the 1800s. Katsu curry is created with breaded chicken, pork, or any meat cut into pieces. It is sometimes eaten with a side of rice, cabbage, carrots, potatoes, or any vegetable in general. Japan is also known for their sushi. Sushi is made of rice, fish, seaweed, and often vegetables. It was invented in Southeast Asia in the 5th century. It originated in China. It tastes like what?
It tastes like pepper sugar.
Oh, okay.
Africa's top 3 most popular dishes. Number 1, boba thai. Boba thai is a well-known South African dish with spiced minced meat baked with an egg-based topping. Number 2, biltong. Biltong is really just dry meat, similar to jerky. Number 3, fudge cooks. This is a small pot food, a dish typically made outdoors. Which one would you like to try the most?
Welcome to China. About dumplings. In the Chinese culture, dumplings are called shui jiao. Dumplings are made of flour, water, salt, any kind of meat, any kind of toppings in the meat. Egg rolls. In the Chinese culture, egg rolls are called dan zuan. Egg rolls are made of thick, doughy wrappers with flour and eggs. The filling consists of vegetables such as carrot, cabbages, and any type of meat of choice.
Right.
English food, made by Xavier Jones and Joel. These are the 4 most iconic English food. Enjoy. Number 1, tea. Black tea ingredients are 1 cup of water, 5 cloves, an optional tablespoon of honey, and 1 lemon wedge. Number 2, a British breakfast. The typical British breakfast consists of eggs, sausages, salad, beans, toast, bacon, black pudding, tomatoes, and mushrooms.
Fish and chips. Fish and chips consist of white fish, fish fillet, salt, egg, flour, and frying. Number 4, shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie consists of potato, ground beef, vegetable, cheese, ground meat, salt, butter, and onion. In the background. So go over there, you're causing no.
Welcome to Japan. Katsu curry. Katsu curry is a favorite dish of Westerners from Japan. The word katsu originated from the word katsu. I should. Bro, are you kidding me? Finally, when I actually get. Shush. Sydney, can you tell us how it tastes? What it tastes like? Dang.